Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Matthusiasm. This video is day 20 of the 30-day challenge. It is all about integration by parts. Let's check it out. Integrate cosine x times log cosine x dx. First of all, we have a composite function log cosine x. It looks quite different from other elementary functions, but we may treat it as a logarithmic function L. This is important because we have to use this idea to decide which term should be absorbed into dx. Another term, cosine x, is clearly a trigonometric function t. By the last rule, L is in front of t. So L is u and t is dv. In other words, we have to absorb cosine x into the differential. That is to integrate it. Therefore, the integral is equal to integrate log cosine x d bracket sine x. Comparing it with the formula of integration by parts, u is equal to log cosine x and v is equal to sine x. So the first term is the product sine x times log cosine x. The second term is the integral by swapping u and v, which is integrate sine x d bracket log cosine x. Now, let's look at this term. We have to differentiate log cosine x. Here, we use the chain rule. Differentiate log is equal to 1 over cosine x. Then we differentiate the term cosine x inside the bracket, which is equal to negative sine x. Therefore, the bracket log cosine x is equal to negative sine x over cosine x dx. We do not change this fraction to negative tangent x, as you will see the reason in a second. Let's put the result into the integral. Multiply the two terms together, we'll have integrate sine square x over cosine x dx. Now, we look at the term sine square x. Let's use the square identity to change the form. Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cosine square x. Then, how do we evaluate it? Actually, we can separate it into two parts. The first term is 1 over cosine x, which is secant x. The second term is even simpler. It is just cosine x. You see, if we have changed the integrand to tangent x, it is not easy to get two simpler integrals. Now, for integrate secant x dx, I have prepared two videos to evaluate it. The first one shows 4 basic methods, while the second one uses another 4 ways which are more advanced. You may check them out in the links above and in the descriptions. Here, we just put the result into the step, which is log absolute secant x plus tangent x. The second part, integrate cosine x dx, is a simple one. It is equal to sine x. Up to here, we are almost done. Can you see that there's a common factor sine x in the first and the third term? Let's check it out. Therefore, the answer is equal to sine x times bracket log cosine x minus 1 plus log absolute secant x plus tangent x plus c. For the next video on day 21, we have another challenging integral to come. Check it out with the link on the screen, and I'll see you there.